Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to install the Vegas Pro 18 crack version. So the link is under my description, so you can download it from there. It's not a scam link, it's not a spam link, it's an actual link to my Google Drive. So after you have downloaded the file, you can extract it. You can see over here I already extract on to my desktop. So first thing first, you can read the instruction. So first you need to do is to execute the setup exe. So let me minimize this. So pick English. So make sure you have read the license agreement and make sure this is the correct one. So for me, I would like a shortcut on the desktop. Yes. So after the installation, you can just go back to the folder and under the crack, make sure you right click and copy it. Alright. Might took a while. Okay, now you can see the shortcut exe over here. So if you want to find the folder, you can just right click and open file location and paste the file over here, but make sure the installation completed. Alright, so I guess we're almost there. Well, let me take a sip of my coffee. Alright, so after that you click finish. So make sure you copy the crack and paste it over here. And make sure you replace the file. So after that you can just okay, let me move here. Just double click the Vegas Pro. So the loading is kind of slow for my computer, so yeah. So it might take a while. Alright, so there you go. This is the Vegas Pro 18. You can create a new video or audio project for your project. Yeah, so that's it, and hopefully you like my video, and hopefully you can subscribe to my video and like my video. I don't really upload video frequently, so yeah. Alright, so alright.